Hi friends, great morning and welcome to daily analysis. Friends, as I mentioned on Friday, I told that I was expecting a sideways day, and you can clearly see that the price has taken support near to the Virgin CPR and went all the way back to the CPR range and took a resistance, again came back and closed just below the Virgin CPR level, right? This is what happened. It was a sideways day, right? And normally we have seen Friday, normally most of the time it happens like a sideways day only. Even Monday also it happens sideways, right? So let us do today's analysis. First, we will do with daily candle MCX crude oil. MCX crude oil daily candle is showing the trend of the bearish trend. That bearish trend is still continuing, and we will expect more selling in this contract. And especially, we advise by seeing this pattern, we advise sell on rise. That can be the good strategy, right? And today in MCX, it's opened with a downside gap, but in NYMEX, there was no gap. So we may not consider this gap. And again, so in case if it coming down, we have first support somewhere near to 5,546, which was the low of this swing. And even below, we have a strong support at 5,396 level, right? So we should wait and watch which level it's taking support and reversing. Now, let us do an analysis with the one-day candle of NYMEX crude. NYMEX crude again the same, the trend remain negative, bearish, and we have immediate support at $67.98, then $66.11. So it's clearly showing us that the trend remain negative and the sell on rise will be the good strategy for us, right? And 30-minute candle of NYMEX crude, what it's showing is like opening, it opened near to 20 EMA and we had a support resistance zone here that got broke and it created a big elephant candle, right? Bearish candle, and it broke previous day's low, right? So that means the sellers are actually still controlling the market and trend remain negative, right? So more selling can happen. That's what it's showing, right? And the CPR is a wide CPR, and normally on Monday we have seen wide CPR, and it can be a sideways day. But one thing we should be cautious, seeing this big candle, we should be ready to accept any big selling, right? On downside, there can be a trending day. That's what it's showing us. But according to the price action at each location, we need to take a decision. Now we will do 30-minute candle analysis of MCX. So here MCX, again, the CPR starts from 5,794 to 5,834 level. Again, it's a wide CPR indicating a sideways day. This gap we may consider, we may not consider, since it is not created in MCX, we may actually ignore for time being. Now, the main thing what we need to understand is somewhere it can take a support and reverse back to CPR, right? Normally, we know that price normally goes and takes CPR range, right? So that is one probability which we have, and also the price is trading much away from 20 EMA. So there can be a possibility of taking support somewhere either at this pivot S3 or somewhere whenever it comes to any support level, and it can go back to the pivot CPR range. But at CPR range, we should be careful that it can actually create a selling pressure, right? So if you ask me, I will tell you which is the best location to sell. I may be looking somewhere within the CPR range, right? Otherwise, I need to see some good price action near to any support and resistance zone, correct? Now, let us do the level analysis. So as I told, CPR starts from 579795 to 5834 level. And downside, first support was 5734, which was broken, and the price is trading below from previous day's low, right? That also should be taken care. And now, if the trend continues, the first support, the major support, I will be looking at 5,559 level, right? Don't get confused with this black line. These are the daily pivots. I don't normally consider it as a big support or resistance. It can take a support and resistance. That's what it means. But the blue line, whatever I have marked manually, which is a very important support and resistance zone. So if it coming down, major support remains at 5,559. And if it breaks, then we have this green support, right? With this support, I have mentioned in many of my videos, 5,397 level. So in case if it coming out somewhere here also, it can take a support, right? These are two important support we need to take care. And above CPR, first we need to be cautious at near to previous day's high. and also the resistance on which we mark 5910 level, right? So here CPR, just above CPR, we have a weekly pivot, which is at 5866 level. So if it breaking CPR and pivot level, the next immediately sub resistance is at 5910, then 6019 level, right? And to go to those level, I'm not seeing any high probability. High probabilities are for selling opportunity, right? Sideways to selling is what I'm expecting for the day. But according to the price action each location, we need to take an action, right? So that's all in this video, friends. Thank you very much for watching. And I want to give you a disclaimer. If you're watching first time my channel, make sure you subscribe the channel, hit on the like button, comment in the comment box what are the more information you want from this daily analysis, and share this video with your other trading friends. And a special disclaimer to all you, these are my personal views and studies, so I don't guarantee you any success or profit. So you make sure you do your own analysis and maintain proper risk-reward ratio before taking any trades, right? So thank you very much. Wishing all a very happy and successful trading. There may be sound disturbance in this recording because I'm traveling. Sorry for the inconvenience. Thank you.